SPY's into the short level. Remember I told you I was going to bounce it yesterday at 443.72? Look, did it after hours. Ding! And then came down and then broke through. And then it's just hovering right in that area. That 443.72 for the push back to the top is probably going to be the call. Except for the risk is so big, I don't like it there. I don't know, we'll see. We still got time, we'll see where it holds out. What's interesting is Q's and SPY both jammed up. Google, but the one that's lagging is Amazon. Amazon did not jam up, which is very interesting. Amazon should jam up to like 33.98 today. It should. On the phone with my brokerage, I finally got my shit figured out yesterday. Somehow I deleted my market data. I was messing with the settings in the Trader Workstation, and I deleted my market data. I don't know what the hell I did, or maybe I had to auto renew or some shit. I don't know, but it's crazy. Where do we close here? 32.99. 32 what? 99. 32.99. This is the close. I'll be watching that area for a bounce on Amazon today for sure. Gonna get started around 9 o'clock. So I'm back, YouTube. Big move yesterday. It's Friday. We're not going to size up. We're going to size down today. We're not going to get emotional and FOMO into a trade. It could be a little wild today. There's a lot of movement coming into the weekend. Okay. SPY ran right into that 44.85 level that it should have and rejected, but it did pop through, as you can see. Okay. Market looks pretty strong. So I'll be looking for a nice dip down into here, it looks like. Somewhere around the close. The close is right here. So if we come over here, tap the close, somewhere in this neighborhood, we can watch for a long. Now, it hasn't given us an opportunity to get long. Today could be the day that we get an opportunity. It may not. Or it could fail. Listen, we have to be looking at this from both sides. This is a pretty stout level right here at 44.85. Okay? Pretty stout level. It should reject from here like it is right now. But if it gets over this, this could be one of these type of scenarios. If we get up and it pops up like this, when we get that rerun back into this, this would be our entrance to go long for the bounce, right? So we're going to watch this. This is our channel. We can watch for long here. We can watch for the short here, depending on what's happening across the market. It's going to be pretty interesting what happens today, I guess. So we're going to size down. It's Friday. Size down Friday, Monday. Beat it in your heads. Don't listen to me when I'm in a trade big. All right, Qs. The 50 is down here as well, guys. We're above the 50. We'll probably get a test of the 50 on the bounce. So that would put us down here around the open. Somewhere in this neighborhood right here. See it? So, like I said, we'll just be patient. Hopefully it starts to dip coming into the open at 9:30. Nope. Disconnected. YouTube, you still there? All right, we're back on. I don't know what the hell just happened. There we go. Yeah, my internet's choppy again for some effing reason. Kicked my Zoom off. My internet's going up and down. Oh, there it goes. Why do I gotta have an internet problem on a effing Friday? God. All right. Giving it a second to make sure that my internet stays up. Not sure what happened. All right. You guys hear me okay? Why is my screen not shared? What the F is going on here? You can? Okay. All right. Looks like everything's working. Jesus. That's all I wanted to have happen this morning. All right. Q's. Q's had a big day as well. Q's is currently below the open. What was SPY? SPY's way above. Why is Q's a little weak? Because Amazon's down. Rid of this. Should tag that 370.35 today, I would think. Because we're up here in the gap. I think we, well, that's not really a gap, but we're up in this range. We should come up and tag this 370. So we'll watch this area for a call. Secondary call would be here. Yeah. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. The 50 is right here, so if we take the long here, we're going to be watching that profit. I'm going to make this yellow again to remind me that there's a reason I want to look at that area. So, hold on. Excuse me. All right. So Qs, we're going to be watching that 366.60. Now listen, guys, we're looking for longs. We're looking for a continuation. Doesn't mean it's going to continue. We could get some profit taken. We could get some chop. There could be a lot of dumb shit happening today. So we need to be cautious of what's happening, okay? Or aware. Qs, the short would be up here at 270.35. That's where I would look for the short, but I'm really not crazy about a short at this time. Pre-market highs here. We're just going to mark it off so we know where it is. It's the pre-market high, okay? Apple. Apple broke out that big move, and I damn missed it. I'm pretty pissed at myself that I didn't take Apple yesterday because I saw this trade and I was going to take it and I didn't. I'm pissed off about it. This was the trade I wanted. I just wouldn't commit to it, but whatever. And then I was having brokerage problems, so I ended up missing that giant move that I thought was going to happen, and it did. So whatever. Pissed off about it. Anyway, so what are we going to be looking for now? The retest of the uptrend in the 9. Right here, guys. You see this 142.82? You see this right here? This is what we're looking for. Yeah, 142.82. That sure looks like it. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to change this to green. I'm going to be watching that 142.82 for the long. Okay. Now, can we take it long here? We can. This is the first level. But if we're just hanging on this level, we can't really take it from here. We got to have a little distance. So if Apple creeps up like this and then comes back into it, we can catch that move. But if it just jams straight down, as it's coming in here, I'm going to start buying in for this bounce, for that retest, okay? It's one of my favorite plays. The retest of the breakout breaks out, retest, and then does this number. And it's going to run right up to this 146.56 right here, okay? So that's what I'll be watching for. And we broke out the candle. Let me see. We have a candle breaking that 144.81, which is interesting. So we'll put that there. It should bounce a little bit right here, so make sure you're taking some profit coming into this level because it could come in here, bounce, and then suck all the way back. Remember, it's Friday. And then push back up, so you want to be watching your profits. All right? They're going to try to steal people's money today on options. It's Friday. Okay? They're going to try to freak out the people that are in these calls. That's why they're going to jam it back down. So we're going to be watching this move, right? So from 143 to 75 to 142.82 is within our 1-point standard risk. Okay? Buy, add, right? I like that play. But if you have a small account, wait till down here. Or depending on the speed, the way it comes in, we'll be watching it. All right? AMC, nothing. AMD on the run. God damn it. I look at these plays from yesterday and it makes me disgusted. Ugh, I can't even look at it. Amazon's my Huckleberry, $32.99, the bounce from there. And if it breaks through, then the whole market's probably going to come back down. So I'll be watching this for a strong bounce off that close. For a push up into this 33.98, I think it's going to push Amazon should push big today. If the market comes up, the market has to damn come up. Boeing. Back to the Amazon. If SPY and Qs break those first levels and start coming down, I will not be taking this long until I see some kind of strength. Okay? Boeing broke out. Retend Trust, complete shit. That was a complete fake out. And then this is how they dump on the money. This is why we day trade and we use levels and we don't get caught and get destroyed. This is why. Baba. Nothing on Baba. I'm not trading Baba. Which one do you need, Jason? Hold on. Nothing on Baba. Beyond nothing. Carnival's holding that 23.79 like I thought. That area broke under the uptrend a little bit, but it's holding that area at the 50. Carnival's so undervalued for what it is. It should be back. It should go back up here at some point. It's people worried about COVID and all the bullshit. Jason, did you need anything or did somebody come to your door? Okay. Dog. Okay. All right. Coinbase is squeezing, obviously, because Bitcoin is screaming up. Tagged 60,000 last night. That's another sore subject for me because it missed my trade by $1,000 at 28,000. 26.8 is where my trade was sitting. Pissed off about it. Coinbase, really nothing. The retest of the 263.19 for the long, possibly. That would be a good trade. And you say, what kind of risk do I give it? Not much. What, to the bottom of those candles right there? About 15, 20 cents? You could give it 20 cents down to here. Okay? Disney, climate. I'm really not interested in Disney. Little strength. See, there's little signs of strength all over the place. Watch that pre-market low on Facebook, but know that Facebook likes to break south before it comes all the way back up. So we can watch down here. This 326.01. Depending on what the market's doing, we can watch this area as well. Okay. Phantom tick here at 324.66. So we could get a slam down in the open. I see a few of those, so have to be aware. Okay. Man, what bipolar gold is. Look at that shit. Yes. We're going to watch Google's high. If it breaks this pre-market high. And then the low here at 28, 22, 27. There's a phantom tick down here. So we'll watch this area to see which way Google's calling. If Google breaks under this 28, 22 and Amazon stays south, we're going to have to start watching for some shorts. If it starts breaking these lower levels, it's going to drag the rest of the market. SPY with it, not the whole market. But when I say market, I'm talking about SPY. Okay? And what we're trading, the S&P 500. Okay? So anybody think that the Intel trade was good yesterday? I mean, nothing really to take there. That's too big. Remember I was talking about Intel and AMD and MU should all come up? Disgusting. What was that? Lockheed Martin straight up. I just wanted to stop you out, Mahaffey, and then it's going to run straight back up. Microsoft. Retest at 393 is the play. And then we got a little candle right here. See this little candle? Comes into an old short level. So somewhere in that box, guys. Oh, my internet's slowing down again. God damn it. I can see it. You guys hear me okay? Yeah, I'm having internet trouble. I can see that my connection to the streamer is really bad right now. It's going green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. I don't know why it's so agitating. It's gonna piss me off. All right, so anyway, that 299.91 to 393 in this box is where I'm gonna be looking for a call on Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft's showing a little bit of weakness at the moment. This was the pre-market low and it just broke under it. It's interesting. MU, nothing. Netflix, nothing really. Netflix came in perfect yesterday. Perfect. 62.13, bang. Oh my God, Kelly. Why didn't you catch that trade? I called it perfect. Disgusting. All right, NVIDIA. What are we doing, NVIDIA? Are we making the jam or are we going to pull back? I think we have to exercise caution with NVIDIA. NVIDIA is so dangerous. We can watch the retest of this 216.50 for the call. There is a level here at the close. Not sure that I would take it there. We can mark it and watch it. If we can break out and keep squeezing, we'll squeeze, but there's a lot of overhead resistance right now where we are in a lot of the stocks. Okay, nothing in PayPal. Let me go back to NVIDIA. So let me look at this some more. The 9's way down here at 212.42. The 50's down here at 213, which is down by the right here. This pivot zone. If it breaks through 216.50, it's coming to 213.22. We can watch for these breakdown plays, the retest. So a lot of these plays that we're looking at to catch these longs, if the long doesn't work and it breaks down like this and you're in it long, when it comes back in here, you sell the long and buy the put for the ride back to here, right? So that's more of an advanced movement. We're on Friday, right? There's a lot of emotion involved. There's big moves 2 days coming into the weekend. So you guys got to pay attention. Keep your size low. Don't take big positions today, okay? Protect your account. Don't put it out there to get smacked. See that the same movement on Qs, right? What did I mean, could the lines line up any better from NVIDIA a second ago? Look, you see this? There's that move. You see what I'm talking about? That's that move. So let's stay aware of that move, okay? streamer is doing. YouTube, I hope you guys can hear me okay. I'm having some internet trouble this morning. Just tell me in the chat, make sure that you can hear me. All right, so Square, once again, see, we're sitting in this area on Square where it could easily break out of this 251.67 and squeeze and fill this gap up here at 256. See this gap right here? This gap. Breakout retest or the long from here if the market wants to come up. Can watch that 247.50 for a long, but on Square, that's your risk right there, guys. 40 cents. Right at the bottom of these. Right here. That's your risk. That's it. Okay? You have to have the discipline to close it and don't marry the damn trade. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Close the damn thing. Take a little L, not a big L. Tesla, running up to my levels. Bastard. I knew it too. Right here. So disgusting. Probably going to run all the way up here. It's going to take a little while. It's going to dip back and work its way back up. It looks like we're on our way back up again, guys, which is everybody thinks the market's going down. That's why they're running it back up. Don't think like retail traders when you're trading. Institutions, they see that shit, they just turn it around and run it right back to the top. Twitter, nothing. Pix is in the toilet. Wish is a turd. Kelly, you talking to me? Okay. All right, guys. Amazon. Oh, look at that Amazon breaking down a little bit. So basically we've got about, what, 14 minutes, 12 minutes till the market open. We're going to watch these. We're going to watch and look for signs like this. If Amazon breaks low, then I might be looking for the shorts at the upper levels at this 444.85. If Amazon breaks down and wants to start coming south, the same with Google. If Google's coming down and the same, like I have other screens, not just this one. Google's on my other screen. So if Google breaks down, starts coming south, right? I'm looking for signs which way we're going. I'm not just staring at one thing. I may trade SPY, but to trigger the trade, it was Google and Amazon that made me trade it, or Apple and or Nvidia and or whatever. You know what I'm saying? MU, yeah. I think that I didn't like MU. Hold on. I don't like where MU's sitting. The trade on MU would be 67.40 if you wanted to try it. Right here. 67.40 to 67.79, and that's about all the risk you can handle. Right there. See it? That would be the call. There and here. I don't like this candle. There's a few of those. It's very wish-washy today right now. It's wish-washy. Right? What's the basket? Are we red and green? Are we wish-washy? We are wish-washy, aren't we? We got to wait till we get a consensus which way we're going. Okay? It's part of seat time. Got to sit in the seat, watch the charts, learn how things work. The big candle on Apple down. Nvidia's coming down. Need to put Microsoft over here. Microsoft headed below the pre-market low. It's interesting. was the other play? There was one other one I liked. What was it? YouTube, any questions? I see you on there. All right, guys, I'm going to grab a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Honey Doberman Brokerage. Biden prepares to what? The Biden's going to start using the Remain in Mexico immigration policy. Oh, that's priceless. No, I think that's only got 2. But anyway, so we got about 4 minutes here. Nvidia's down by the call. Google's in the middle. Intel sucked back up. Microsoft's curling. I'd like Microsoft to give me that call. In the middle here. Got about 3 minutes. SPY's strong right now. It's so hard to short SPY. That 446.50 would be the next level that you could take. I mean, it's real risky to short it up here above this level. Comes Q's. Amazon broke over. To 1750 calls on Nvidia. I have the 1750 calls on Nvidia open currently. SPY broke over. We got about a minute to the open. Intel just broke its high. I'd like to see Nvidia give me a nice red candle at the open. I think I'll have to grab that long. Q's is going to need to get over this. We're pretty strong coming into the open. See how we went mostly green? All that red's almost disappeared. God damn it, Nvidia. Don't do it before the open. Ten seconds. SPY already broke pre-market highs. Doesn't mean that it's not going to fail, guys. Don't just blindly jump in. Big red candle. Apple broke. Damn, I didn't grab Nvidia. Shit. I almost took it and I was scared. Quick 50 a contract. Jesus Christ. Which way are we going here? Google's diving. Nvidia broke that lower level. Diving. Google's diving. Broke the lower level. First level. We'll be watching for this low. I'm about to short SPY. NVIDIA though right here. God, can't make up my mind what I want to do. I don't like where Q's is sitting. Why didn't I grab it? Because I'm a moron. $50 a contract I just missed. Very wish-washy information. It's Friday. I'm trying to be patient. Google came right into my secondary level. I didn't take it. Man, what is going on right now? Apple's at a call zone. So interesting right now. Microsoft come all the way to my 393. Wasn't paying attention. Google's still diving. Yeah, should have shorted SPY for the ride down here. Started in on NVIDIA on that tag of 216.50. I'm going to try the long, see what happens here. Big candle out of Intel. Should have bought the 215s and I bought the 217.50s. I wasn't paying attention. Oh well. Apple's coming up. I'd like to see Apple break this right here. Just took profit on Nvidia. 25 a contract on that pop into VWAP. Don't know what's happening yet. I may wait for another entrance if I get it. God dang it. Should have held it for 10 more seconds. I'd have made 70 a contract. Oh well. Made 25 a contract, whatever. So wish-washy. Microsoft's down. Amazon's back up. What is going on? Looks like we're gonna fail. That's what it looks like. I'm going to watch this double top on SPY. Could be coming up from here, though. Well, I'm pissed I sold my Nvidia contract too soon. Oh, well. I got filled at 108 and sold at 133, and it's now at 180 after the pullback there. Apple broke highs. Microsoft still deep. Man. Nvidia was beautiful. Nvidia came right in. I took it long right here. Sold profit into VWAP. There's that lower high on SPY. Damn it, I missed it. Talking. I'm leaning short on SPY at the moment. That MU trade at 67.79 worked real well. Did you grab that, Chris, or no? Waiting to see what Google does right here. It's just hanging. I want a short SPY, but I missed this pop. I should have been in short right there. Things are trying to lift though. Nvidia, Google, now Google's coming up, so I'm gonna wait. risk. That was the candle I should have been in. God. Pissed me off. Talking and missed that. That was what I wanted right there, and I missed it. Doesn't mean that it's going to keep going south, but that was definitely a low-risk trade. I might have to grab SPY if it sucks back into VWAP here. I need this to break, Q's to break down. Nvidia's rolling back, and Microsoft's making lower lows. So trappy right now. Little higher lows on SPY and Qs. Google's flat low, but it's right middle, right at the 9 hanging. Microsoft right into the level for the jam. Still not sold yet. I almost went short right here. Then saw some life out of a few other things. Damn it. It's dangerous to take it long right here. That's why I keep looking at it short. It's really not moving that much if you back the chart up. It's just kind of in the middle. You know what? Watching that Microsoft for a bounce. Yeah, there's the long coming. Watch these longs. It's trying to come up. Yeah, I'm in Amazon long. $33.10. So quiet. What's it fucking waiting on? Yeah, that's what it looks like. SPY's at highs. Q's is trying to come up. Nvidia's in an uptrend. Microsoft's holding the 393. Google's at a double bottom. I'd rather Google held up. Didn't try to fail, but we'll see what happens. Even. Little red now. Just looks like she wants to go. There goes SPY. Come on, Amazon. There you go, baby. There we go. Yeah. What a weird movement that was on SPY. This should be the retest long. Remember we were talking about it early? If it broke out and then jammed back in, this should be the pop. It should bounce. Doesn't mean it's gonna, but it should. Spread's tightening up on Amazon right now. There's that suck up on SPY. That's what it's supposed to do. Did you catch that long, Mahaffey? What are you in? No? I almost took it long right there. Kept wish-washy. It was so wish-washy. Things falling off at the moment. Be right back. It's burning premium. That's all they're doing. On Amazon, anyway. SPY just keeps squeezing. Should be a big run-up coming up from Microsoft. Oh, Microsoft broke down. Such weird movement today. Up, down, up, down. Things just doing weird positions. Trap them long. Drop them short, up, down. I mean, it's just weird movement. Like SPY should jam down where this is. I might get out of this Amazon trade here in a second. Few. Listen, it'll make you pucker. Listen. When it goes red, I squirm in my chair. Okay? There's that double bottom on Q's if y'all weren't taking that play. That double bottom on Q's was pretty bounce. I think Q's is a better play. You have defined risk. The dogs are out here. Q's was the play, damn it. Get your ass out of here. Fuck. They piss and shit as soon as he gets out here if he doesn't go out. He was right over there sniffing pee. Here we go. It should turn into a rocket ship. Told you Q's was the play. I executed it, didn't fill my order. I had it set at limit. Pissed off. I still have Amazon long. Market's bipolar today, isn't it? The Q's trade at the double bottom was a good trade. I saw it and I executed. I hit the wrong damn. I didn't have it set as a market order and it didn't get me in. By the way the market looks, Amazon should take off. It should, and it's not. Like, the longer I sit here, the less interested in this trade I'm becoming. God damn. Dogs are a pain in the ass. Amazon's trying to come up. Still in it. Just expect it to run. This needs to come up. Q's needs to start pushing. Well, we're either going to fall apart or run up. Oh, I know. Shit. On what? Yeah. Could be rolling over here. I don't know. It's so weird. It almost stopped me out right here. I've got a stop set. Came within 20 bucks. I know. I don't think it's going to. It looks like it's going to come down. Google just broke its low. Yeah. What the fuck? Come on. What the fuck is this thing doing? It won't fill my short on SPY. I mean, are you serious right now? Unfucking believable. I was trying to grab that short. Oh well. I don't know if I'm having fucking computer problems. What the fuck's going on here? Oh, I see it. Yeah. I'm looking at cues. I'm watching it. Yeah, no shit. I'm usually that way, yes. It's pretty risky. I think I'm done messing with this on a Friday. Won some, lost a little. I'm going to call it a day. I'm not going to keep messing with this. I just don't like the way the market's moving. One's up, one's down. It could just end up in the middle and screw both sides. Plus, I got a bunch of shit to do today. I lost a little bit on this Amazon trade on that breakthrough, and I just let it close with the limit. And then I won on that. What was that SPY put early, I think. Of course, Amazon shoots straight up after I get out. You fuck piece of shit. I gotta get away from the computer. I only lost a little bit. It's no big deal, but I thought it was gonna go up. Listen, I just didn't want to stay in it. Amazon should have a big day today. Doesn't mean it's gonna, but it should. My house is a little echoey with no furniture in it now. Almost got it emptied out. I'm getting there. Amazon, you can kiss my ass. All this thing's gonna go and I'm gonna get so mad. Ah! Oh well. I'm 1-1 today. Wish-washy again. It is. It's just, if I was going to take anything, NVIDIA long or Microsoft long would probably be my two plays, Qs. That's it. And then only to these, to the double bottoms, that's as long as I'd let them run. Microsoft's right at that level, 393. You can take it long now and just take it down to the double bottom. Let it go red a little and grab it down to that 377. But you never know. It's getting late. It's almost 10:30 on a Friday. If you haven't taken a trade, I probably wouldn't. Well, this was an uneventful day. Thanks to Amazon. What'd you say, Mahaffey? I know. Fuck off, Amazon. Fuck you, Mahaffey. Everybody can kiss my ass. Now I'm pissed off. I knew this was going to happen, and I closed the fucking trade. It's going to go to 33.30, at least. Here. This is where I thought it was going to come up to. Well, anyway. They were waiting for me to get out. Ah! I got to shut this off. That made me a shit ton. SPY already ran up early. God. I ended up taking a little L on it instead of the big win. Oh well, shit happens. It is what it is. Amazon, there's a lot of risk involved, so. YouTube, I'm out of here. I don't have any open trades. Watch the long on Qs and Microsoft and NVIDIA is what I'd be watching. Possibly Apple from a double bottom, but there she goes. I knew it was coming. I just wasn't patient enough. I should have just hold on for a minute. I was too tight with my stop. You have to be. You can, or you can lose a shit ton with Amazon. So it is what it is. See you later, YouTube.